everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can solve your problem of Snapchat not sending your snap on your app. So before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and we'll simply just dive into our video now. So the reason for why you're not being able to send your snaps could be many, right? So the very first thing that you can do is simply recheck your network connection. If it is okay, if it's working well, if it's not, then you can simply switch your mobile data, again go back to your app and try to send that particular snap over there. And if it's still not the case, then what you will do is you will simply check if your app is updated or not. Go to Play Store over there and tap on this Google search option. Simply search Snapchat, and as you can see, in my case my app is updated and shows this open option instead of update over there. So what I will do is I will go back. If your app is not updated, then you will simply update, because that will fix the app to remove some of the bugs that causing the app to work a little slow and to get those errors. Then other thing that you can do is once you are in your Snapchat app, simply tap on this profile icon over here, and then you will tap on the settings icon over in your right corner. Then you will simply swipe down and see this option called clear cache on your account actions option over there. Simply tap on it, simply tap on this continue option, and here your cache will be cleared out. So that way you can remove all of the unnecessary storage as well, which were making your app to work a little slow and to lag over there. And once you're done with that, you can simply go back to your chats box and try to send the message to your friend over there. So yeah, this is how you can completely resolve this problem of your Snapchat. If it's still not fixing your app, simply just reinstall once your app, or you can restart your device and you can again go back to your app and try to use it. And yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.